What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I will be showing you how to connect your Telegram wallet with Hamster Kombat game. So for that, the process is very simple. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. In order to do so, all you have to do is to click the airdrop button on the bottom right corner. Here you will see points and withdrawal option. Just go to withdrawal option and select on-chain airdrop. In the on-chain airdrop, just go and click on connect to wallet. Here you will see different option and different wallets in it. So all you have to do is to swipe to the right side, then click on view all wallets, then click on wallet on Telegram. So this is the button which you need to press in order to get to attach your Telegram wallet with the Hamster Kombat game. So just follow the steps ahead and fill in the required information about your wallet, and that's good to go. So that's how you can connect it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.